How to fix login error on Etsy. Now, if you wish to fix some of the login errors that you're facing on Etsy, what you have to do is, first of all, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Second, if you're using the Etsy application on Android, long press the Etsy app and tap on this I button that says App Info, which will take you to the App Info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. Then from here, go to Storage Usage and try to clear the cache files and also clear the data. Then go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Etsy app, check if the Etsy app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're still not being able to log in after all of that, then chances are you could be typing in an incorrect credentials. So you want to make sure to check your email address quite properly and tap the sign in button, and make sure to also check your password. In case you forgot your password, you can tap on the reset password button to reset your password. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.